Slimed in the name of science. These 4-H'ers in Lebanon have their hands full of gooey coolness. They grab a bunch of grocery store items, mix them up in a bowl, and the result is downright slimy. Gage Harwell shares his recipe for a nice batch of slime.
First, you want to put your Elmer's glue in and put contact solution and shaving cream. If you can use shaving cream or you don't have to, I just use shaving cream because it makes it like fluffy slime.
The slimier the slime, the better. Glitter and food coloring can also be added. Don't assume all slime is green. There's also blue and pink, all colors. Here the 4-H'ers get a lesson in several academic areas: textures, measurements, communication skills, and teamwork.
They're getting to actually bring something that is unique to their passions and their hobbies and show everybody else. It's kind of like show and tell, old-fashioned show and tell, but tailored to something that they're actually learning a process to.
4-H agent Morgan Beatty leads the group and likes doing this project with kids. It's a fun way to learn, and it's quick.
They don't have to do this whole if you were at home, you would stick it in the oven or whatever. Right. They can make it. They have the finished product.
So I got a name for it. So we could call this the fast food
science
experiments.
Yes, pretty much, yes. They make it. They can usually make it within a couple minutes.
My generation connects getting slimed with Ghostbusters. Now I know these kids have probably never heard of that movie. Regardless, this gooey exercise is about teaching science and the chemical reactions that go into making this stuff. And you may be wondering, now that you've created slime, what are you going to do with it?
You can poke it, you can stretch it and make bubbles with it.
And learn from it too. So there you go, lots of uses for this stuff. Fun and a little messy, a science lesson that kids are bound to like. The right chemistry for getting slimed. This is Charles Denny reporting.